A major development today in a high-profile federal murder case. Luigi Mangione will not face the death penalty for the killing of UnitedHealthcare CEO Brian Thompson, following a ruling by a federal judge in New York. Mangione is charged in connection with the fatal shooting of Thompson, who was killed on a Midtown Manhattan street in December 2024. The case has drawn national attention due to the victim's position as the head of one of the largest health insurance companies in the United States. On Friday, U.S. District Judge Margaret Garnett issued an order that significantly reshaped the federal case. Judge Garnett dismissed 2 of the 4 federal criminal charges Mangione was facing. Those dismissed counts were the most serious and would have made him eligible for a possible death sentence. Specifically, the tossed charges accused Mangione of committing murder using a firearm and a silencer during the commission of a federal stalking offense. With those charges removed, the death penalty is no longer an option in the federal case. The judge explained that, under Supreme Court precedent, the underlying stalking charges do not legally qualify as crimes of violence. That legal definition is required for the firearm-related charges to stand. Judge Garnett acknowledged that her analysis might seem confusing or even strange to many people, but said she was bound to follow existing law. As a result, she granted Mangione's motion to dismiss those counts. Mangione still faces 2 federal charges related to stalking that resulted in Thompson's death. According to the judge, the maximum possible sentence for those remaining counts is life in prison without parole. So while capital punishment is off the table, Mangione could still spend the rest of his life behind bars if convicted. The judge also denied a defense request to suppress evidence found in Mangione's backpack when he was detained in Pennsylvania days after the shooting. Police recovered a gun magazine, a handgun, a silencer, and a notebook. In addition to the federal case, Mangione faces separate murder charges in New York State Court, where prosecutors plan to try him before the federal case proceeds. The ruling marks a major turning point, narrowing the charges, removing the death penalty, but keeping the case very much alive.